Hello everyone, it is Nancy Ann. Welcome to my channel. I'm finally finding my fashion after 50, and I'm so glad that you and StitchFix are here to help me. Hey, and thank you for being here. Welcome if you are new, and welcome back if you're returning. I love all of my viewers. I appreciate the new people. I super appreciate the returning people and all the support that you have given me since I started this journey. Gosh, I think it was almost 5 months ago now. I'm super excited about the channel. It is always so much fun to do these boxes like Christmas every time. And today we have a fix from StitchFix. I believe this is my 6th. I could be wrong. I'll see in the Stylist note. Now, StitchFix is a styling service. A stylist curates 5 items for you after you have filled out a profile online, and they ship them to you to try in the comfort of your home. There is a $20 styling fee. That applies back towards anything you purchase from the box. I will have a link down below. If you use that, you will get a $25 credit towards your very first fix, and I will get a $25 credit too. And I want to thank you in advance for that. People using my credits has really and truly helped me to keep this channel going. I have a little bit of credit left with them. I can't remember exactly how much, but I'll have a little bit to apply to this box. And thank you everybody who used them, because you made that possible for me. Alrighty, let's get into the box. I got to grab my dull bread knife. I finally got the box open. The tape was really stuck in an odd way. Before I open it all the way, I do want to tell you this is probably going to be a quicker than usual video for me, because I know for sure I have 2 little bags in here. With StitchFix, you do get a preview of the items if you choose to look at it. And the stylist had sent me a bunch of different bags to choose from, and I picked 2 because on my last Trendsend unboxing, there was an adorable crossbody bag, but it wasn't exactly what I wanted. The truth is I wasn't thrilled with the color, but I liked the functionality of it, and I thought maybe StitchFix can find something like that for me for my upcoming trip to Savannah with my best friend. So there's going to be 2 bags. I think this is going to go a little bit quicker. I also want to say if you keep all 5 items, you save 25% off of the cost of your box. So that can end up being pretty significant. Okay, so let's take a look at what's in here. We've got our poly mailer, and it looks like with all the sticky tape stuff going on, there's actually, and maybe it was my knife, there's a hole in it. So I'll have to seal that up before I send back anything I love and I don't want to keep. And we've got our envelope that has, it's your oh hello card, and if I'm not mistaken, this has the stylist note, yes. And then of course outfit suggestions per the normal with StitchFix, and then the inventory pricing sheet. I'll look at that at the end. I like saving it for the end because then I'm not influenced by the prices. I think I saw them in the preview, but I can't remember exactly. I wish I'd have realized I was picking an orange bag. I'm not keeping this. If you've watched me for any period of time, you know I hate the color orange. It just didn't look orange in the preview. It does, however, have a little strap to go across. Oh, I don't know. I'll look at it. It does have some good compartments in there. So I think for vacation, for something light just to strap across me, but I was hoping for something that would match with quite a bit, and I don't think orange is going to work with a lot in my wardrobe. We've got a red crossbody bag. I think it's crossbody. Can I make this long enough to be crossbody? Oh gosh, I hope so. Well, we'll find out. It has a little section on the back for sliding things in, and just one big section in the middle. So we'll get a closer look at that later. I like this better than the orange. And now our little bundle, there's only going to be 3 items. I honestly can't remember what was in here. So let me get this open. All right, item number 1. This is, oh, it's a cute little short sleeve top, and it's sheer across the top. I like that actually. Has some, almost looks like a Swiss dot there. And little Flutter sleeves, and I like the print. So I will give this a try, see what that is. Right here, I've got, Oh, this is a sweater. Okay, it's kind of getting out of sweater weather, but I like this. See the fluttery sleeves? I am, oh, it's a chiffon underneath with the ribbing, the ribbed sweater material over top. Very lightweight. Even though we're kind of getting out of sweater weather, I don't know. I may really like this. Ooh, and it's got sections going down. I don't know if you can see, but sewn sections going down the front. I think that'll help it really fit nicely. And then lastly, there's a pair of jeans. Good, I have a pair of jeans to try these with you. And they are not skinnies. Yeah, and there's some light destructing. Where did I see that? There's a little destructing right here. And I think I saw some somewhere else. I like some destruction. Oh, it looks like it's right along the knee. I just don't like tons of destruction. When you get to where you can see my skin through the destruction, that's too much for me. Alrighty, so let's get on with the try on. Outfit number 1, this is 3 of the 5 items. I think in the preview, I thought this purse was yellow. And for me, yellow is not a color I dislike. It doesn't tend to be a color that looks very good on me, however. So if I can add something fun in, like a little crossbody bag that I wouldn't wear, you know, for every day in yellow, that'd be great. But this is most decidedly orange, and there's another problem with it. I tried to put my cell phone in and it won't fit. So it is a true crossbody. It's awful cute. It could go even longer. I mean, this could be quite a bit longer. And it could be about 3 inches or so, oh, even more than that, shorter. So it looks like a versatile little bag. It's got the handle on the top. Inside, there's just 2 compartments. So you can drop things down in there, but my cell phone's too big for this. And one thing I definitely need to be carrying with me when I'm going around town trying to carry as least as possible as little as possible on vacation, I need my cell phone. So that unfortunately is going to be a no, or maybe kind of fortunately, because if it would have worked functionally, oh look, I don't have it hooked all the way in. If it would have worked out functionally, I would have kind of felt bad that it was the wrong color. So there's that. Okay, let's talk about this sweater. Gosh, I like this. It enhances my figure. It's got the 2 seams that go down the side here. I don't know if you can see, but the ribbing kind of goes off in a different direction. Anyway, it's got some open kind of stitches that hook it and make a little seams down the side, which helps it with the nice close fit. And a close fit tends to do pretty well on me because it defines my waist. And when you define my waist, that shows that I'm not big all over. So here it is from the back. And I am digging these sleeves. How awesome are these? They're just gorgeous. It's a double layer of the chiffon, and then it's also got a layer of the sweater fabric. So I really like that. On to the jeans. I would like these jeans except for one thing. The waist is too low. It's I suppose on most people it'd be a mid-rise. On me, it's coming out as a low rise, and so it's too low. They look good. The waistband's just too low for me. It's uncomfortable sitting. I always worry that people are seeing more of my anatomy than they should. Mini boot, they're awful cute. She said that they didn't have straight leg jeans like I had asked for, so she included these, and I appreciate that. If they were 2 inches higher in the waist, even though I'm not technically in the market for jeans, I don't have a ton of them, but it's not one of my bigger needs in my closet, I would actually entertain the notion of keeping these. But so here we go. So no on the purse, no on the jeans, the sweater's a contender. Okay, I will come back with the other purse and the other blouse. The last 2 items are this little bag and this short sleeve top. The bag, I don't think it's technically a crossbody because it is so short when I put it on a crossbody. I don't know, maybe on a shorter person it would be a crossbody, but I could put it over my head if I get into a situation where I feel like I need to. And that's really what I like a crossbody for. But this is how I would normally wear it. It's just hanging down at my side. And this did pass the cell phone test. My cell phone also has a red case on it. So the cell phone matches the bag. It has one big opening in the center, but it does have a little zipper pouch right here if I wanted to put anything I kind of wanted to secure in there. And I also feel like this one closes more securely than the orange one did. And then there's this pouch back here for easy access. Oftentimes I will shove my cell phone on the outside like that so I can get to it quickly. But this is such a small bag that I wouldn't have any problem with putting it in the middle. So I like this bag a lot. If I remember correctly, the price wasn't outrageous. So I have a feeling I'll be hanging on to that. That would be great for vacation, little pop of color, and it will work with many things in my wardrobe. So lastly, we've got this really cute blouse. Let's see, am I centered up? I'm centered up. Okay. We've got this really cute, it's really just a short sleeve top. It's sheer here on the top. I like that. I like the color on me. I really like this print. It's a fun print. It has the tie neck. A lot of times I don't like ties, but in this case I do because it's actually functional and helps keep it together. I'm sure it could be untied. Let's see. Yeah, I could untie it and just leave it open too. So I like that option. I have front tucked it into the jeans, but here is the length of it. Not front tucked. And I like it quite a lot. I think it's cute. Depending on the price, this might be staying. So there's the back. But I like this little top. So we'll be back in just a minute with our wrap up. Well, for brands and prices on these items in, I believe it is my sixth fix. Say that 5 times fast. Janelle was my stylist this time. I'm thinking she styled me before because the name sounds familiar, but I get so many boxes, I start getting confused about who goes with what. But if she did a really good job. She gave me, I think, 4 different little bags to choose from, which I really appreciated. And then the clothing all worked out great. So I think everything in the preview probably would have worked for me. These were the items I just most wanted to see. I just checked my notes and I do have about a $50 credit with StitchFix still left. A couple of you used my referral link and got me some extra credit, and thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, it helps a bunch. And it's going to enable me to get something I love today, and I appreciate you for that. And if you do use my link, would you please let me know and tell me how you enjoyed it down below? I would appreciate that. Okay, so let's quickly run over these 5 items. We have got the Daniel Rainn short sleeve flutter tee, short sleeve flutter sleeve tee, the word sleeve twice in the description. The color, they're calling it navy. I would call it teal, but that's okay. It's awfully cute. Size medium. This is $58. It's Daniel Rainn. That's why. I like it. I like it. It's a contender. I'll think about it. I don't know that I really need another short sleeve tee, but I like this, and it would be nice to have a little something different. I'm going to give that a little bit of thought. Then we've got the Campsite Cecilia knotted strap crossbody in red. And this is the one I'd really like to keep. And it is $38. That's pretty good. And my credit will cover that. So thank you to everybody who used my credit. You bought me a bag. I appreciate that. Or you earned me a bag. I really, really appreciate it. I think I'm going to hang on to that. Then we've got the Campsite Ana Top Handle Crossbody, or maybe it's Ana. It has only one in. And this one is in yellow. Does that look really orange to you? That is definitely a orange leaning yellow. And it is $44. So that one, I couldn't fit my phone in it anyway. It wouldn't matter if I loved the color. That one's got to go back. Then we've got the by Artesian Ethelda Ruffle Bell Sleeve Pullover. That's this one in black size medium. This is $58. I think for a sweater, I think a sweater, especially with this kind of detail, that is not a bad price. And I think I'm probably going to hang on to this one for sure. And the last thing is the Silver Jeans Company Elyse Slim Bootcut Jean in Indigo size 10, and it's $79. Those for sure are going back. So the Stylist pick subtotal was $277. And again, if you buy everything in a fix, it is 25% discount, which would be $69.25, bringing the order subtotal down to $207.75. If you had spent $20 on a styling fee, that would take another $20 off, and the grand total would be $187.75. That wouldn't be bad at all. I have my credit though, so they went ahead and took that off. And so for me to keep everything with my credit would be basically $158. That is excellent for 5 items, but I would never use this. The jeans wouldn't come in handy, so there's really not much point in that. So, but my styling fee now is free because, like I told in the last one, I got the Style Pass. I actually got it earlier than anyone else I've ever known. StitchFix, if you're watching this, thank you very much. So that is $49 a year. If they ever offer it to you, I would highly advise you take them up on it. So pay the $49. You have no more styling fees for the entire year. You can have unlimited fixes sent to you and the $49 credits back. So there we go. That is my fix. What do you think? What would you keep? I would love to hear your thoughts on this fix. Thank you very much for watching. As always, if you could give this a quick like, if you have a split second to push that little thumbs up down there, comment below. Love, love, love the comments. And if you found this valuable or fun or entertaining or anything, I would just love it if you would subscribe. I love my subscribers. I think they're fabulous, and I appreciate it every time someone subscribes. Thanks again for spending just a little bit of time with me today. Time is valuable, and I really appreciate that you hung out with me. Talk to you later. See you on the next unboxing. Bye-bye, and be blessed. I was going to say something. You have to have things to say if you're going to do a good wrap up. Give me a sec.